Hi there, tech enthusiasts. My name is Shreya, and I welcome you to another quick tech bite on YouTube video streaming. But before that, let's rewind a bit and go back in time to the early days of the internet. Emerging companies like Google and Yahoo were facing a huge problem with the growing number of internet users. Back then, a simple Google search would take a lot of time to load, especially for users who lived far away from Google's data centers or in a different country. And if you were playing an online game, say a fight game, then there would be a lag between the time you made a move and what appeared on the screen. And this was a huge problem. So slow loading pages, buffering videos, and the worldwide wait became the norm. Until mathematics professor Tom Leighton and his graduate student Lewin decided to tackle the problem head on. They used methods of mathematics and algorithms and published a paper entitled Global Hosting Systems, and in 1998 they founded Akamai Technologies that would put their theory into practice with the development of content delivery networks or CDNs. And CDNs would go on to make the internet fast, reliable, and secure for billions of users. To understand how content delivery networks work, let's take an example. Imagine there's a user in India who wants to log into Facebook or Meta. So he hits Facebook's URL and a request is sent to US because that's where Facebook servers are located, and then those servers send a response back to India. So because of the distance, there is high latency and users' experience is hampered. And this is where content delivery networks come in. They are basically an infrastructure of servers which are strategically placed all around the world. So a server would be placed in India and it would be known as an edge server, which would have cached version of Facebook. By cached version, I mean copies of Facebook static content like HTML files, JavaScript files, etc. And then when the user hits Facebook's URL, the edge server would send the response and the response would be very quick. So this is how content delivery networks solve the problem of speed. So CDNs made static content delivery quite simple. But when it came to video streaming, it was a whole another game. For example, there's a user in India who wants to watch Mr. Beast's latest video on YouTube, and there is another user who wants to stream Friends on Netflix. So in this case, the edge servers would have those videos cached, but not the whole video. The video would be first divided into chunks, and chunking can depend upon the length of a scene or upon a time period. So what happens is when the user clicks or starts a video, then the first chunk is sent to the user's video player. The video player downloads that chunk and plays it. Behind the scenes, the next chunk is sent to the video player. And if the user points to any time on the video, say at 5 minutes, moves his cursor to 5 minutes or 10 minutes, for example, then the edge server would send only that chunk to the video player and chunks after that. So this is how edge servers chunk videos, and there is one more thing they do, which is transcoding. So every chunk or every copy has different versions. So if a user's internet speed is fast, then he would get videos in high resolution. And for users whose internet connectivity is slow, would get videos automatically in 360p or 480p. So this is how content delivery networks handle video streaming. And that was all about content delivery networks. If you liked the video, please subscribe to my channel. And let's meet again in another video. Bye.